The Jamaica 4-H Clubs brings you a series aimed at sharing with you creative gardening concepts for your backyards. If you have backyard space, containers, a balcony in your apartment, or even a concrete roof, our friends at the 4-H will show you how to use your space creatively. Let's join our friends Dwayne and Demers as they take you through the steps of starting a healthy backyard garden.
You use a ratio of 2 to 1 to 1, whereas you use two parts of soil, 1 part of sun, and 1 part of organic matter. What is organic matter? This I shall also explain. Here, organic matter is anything that you can even have or create from your compost heap, whereas your banana skin, your vegetable peels, those things that you can have out in a section of your garden, and you create a compost heap, and it can be dry grass or anything like that being decomposed and have there, and you can use it as your organic matter.
So you're talking about
biodegradable materials, right?
So you mix the organic matter, 1 part of that
with 1 part of sand and 2 parts of 2 parts soil, right?
A potting mix.
A potting mix,
okay.
So that you put inside of your containers.
So can't I just go to the farm store and buy a bag or a pack of mix and just use it in my container?
No. Those bags that are being sold at the farm store, it's just potting mix, but it does not have enough haulage to hold the water inside of the soil. So you need your soil and your sand for drainage and your organic matter for providing nutrients.
Okay, great. Now I understand.
Right.
Good. So once you have that prepared, you have your containers, you can now go ahead and pot your plants.
Pot your plants straight there. Straight from the seed trays, straight here, right on your table, in your garage, in your patio, on top of your roof.
Right. Okay, so, and that's it for utilizing limited space.
That's it for utilizing your limited space right at your home.
Thank you, boss.
You're most welcome, Mr. Modi.
When we started earlier, you saw the different containers that we use for containerized and backyard garden. Now, Demers is going to show you how to make your potting mix and how you will pot your seedling. All right, so Demers, what do we have here?
All right, Sir Modi. Here we have our organic matter that is here. We have soil, we have sand right here. We have some little stones, not big, you don't need them too big. I will explain as I go. We have a hand spade. We have a small potted flowers pot. Here is a old reused water container I'll be using. Simple stuff that you can find around your house, right? Early on, I made mention of mixing your soil medium to do your potting. I made mention of 2 to 1 to 1 ratio, where we'll be using 2 parts of soil with 1 part of organic matter and 1 part of sand.
Right, I remember that.
Okay, good. So now I'll be showing you how we go about doing that. All right? First, we're going to place the stones at the bottom of your pot. The stone is used whereas for assist with drainage. Right? As you can see, right there, you see them at the bottom of the pot. All right?
I see where your pot also has
Drainage holes.
Okay, right.
Right. That's for the drainage of water, because you don't want the water to stay inside there and settle, because then you will have rotting of the roots.
Okay, great.
All right?
Just want to know.
Okay. All right. So the first component that I'm going to be using or measured is the soil.
Okay, good.
So I'll be taking up 2 parts of this. All right?
Join us in the next episode to see what other concepts will be introduced. In the meantime, follow the Jamaica 4-H Clubs on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Remember, your food security is your best surety. Join us again as we continue to make the best better.